Hello everyone. Hi Leo. This is your December weekly reading and this is general reading may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So energy could be vice versa. So let's see your reading. Your messages. Leo fire sign. Let's see what's going on. I think there is no contact between both of you. What's going now? In recent past, definitely there is no equal give and take in this connection. Someone is very passionate about you and they already approached you to fix the things between both of you, but you cut them off, Queen of Swords, and you overcome this pain also. For some, you are now concentrating on your career. You are making money and yeah, you will get success also there. Six of Pentacles with Six of Wands, definitely you will get success. You already got success for some and you are now very attractive to all. Yeah, your person, I think your person maybe approached you for some and there is a lot of passion, but you cut them off, you overcome that pain also. Leo, it's your card, strength. Yeah, you are not talking to your person or your person maybe not talking to you. I think one person in this connection right now undergoing some spiritual awakening, some healing process. It could be you not talking to your person but thinking about you a lot. Or you, it could be your person, they are not talking to you but thinking about you a lot. Take what resonate and leave the rest. And yes, definitely Two of Swords. I think your person may be at some crossroads. Already you made decision that you cut off your person due to any reason. You know the reason more than me well. So I think there is some disturbances, there is no equal give and take. That's why the separation is happened for some. For some, the no contact. And definitely one person in this connection is at some crossroads. And patience, there is no balance in this connection in past. Now patience and balance. You want patience and balance in this connection, but you stand by your power and you are very clear what you want, Leo. But one person, I think your person may be at some crossroads, they have to make some decision. I think it's too late for some because you, I think you choose to move on from this person. Six of Swords with Queen of Swords and Leo, strength. Definitely you are moving on from this person. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Leo. So definitely there is no contact and one person going to be make some decision. They're at some crossroads. They're patiently waiting for the right time. I think it's your person maybe waiting for the right time. Some communication, definitely there is some communication in past between both of you that went wrong. Whatever, there is some disturbances, some fighting, then no contact is begin between both of you. Four of Swords, one person is not talking to other person for sure. So let's see your person current feelings and then your future actions towards you, then we will get more clarity what's going on. Leo, your person current feelings. Nine of Wands, Ten of Swords, Judgment. Yeah, I already told you someone going to be make some major decision. I think you person have to make decision and they're thinking about it. Yeah, judgment, decision, and the Nine of Wands with Ten of Swords. Yeah, definitely I think for some your person want new beginnings with you. For some there is painful ending between both of you. I think your person may be thinking about you that you are guarded up, you are not responding to them and they are feeling so much pain. There is some painful endings between both of you. For some, Ten of Swords. For some, you person still want rebirth in this connection, and they're thinking about to make some major decisions, judgment. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or 10 of Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Under the deck, Wheel of Fortune. Definitely they are waiting for the right time. Let's see the near future actions towards you. The Sun, Queen of Swords, Ace of Wands. 2 times Ace of Wands and Queen of Swords. Yeah, there is a lot of passion. Your person is very passionate about you. Definitely there is some communication is going to be happen. Definitely they want to communicate some, that they want to express their feelings to you. And the Sun, for some it could be third party situation, children's involved, but your person still hoping for this connection. The Sun is major arcana in this connection, very positive card. Still they are hoping for this connection, and they're trying to express their feelings. And Ace of Wands, yeah, they're thinking about new beginnings with you, and they are very very passionate about you. Leo, there is passion, there is attraction between both of you. For some, there will be communication will open up. For some, I think you may be decided to move on from this person. For some, definitely there will be some communication. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see some cards from universe, then where this connection is headed in near future. 7 of Cups, mutual energies and outcome. Leo, Three of Cups, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. King of Cups, King of Wands. Yeah, I already told you there is a lot of passion. I think your person may be at some confusion. Definitely they have to make some decision. I think they want reconciliation with you. 3 of Cups. For some it could be third party situation also. Third party involved. And King of Cups with King of Wands. I think it's you. You stand by your power. Leo, definitely this is your card. And but your person have emotions for you. Definitely they want to express their feelings. Yeah, they have emotions. And 3 of Cups, they want reconciliation, but they have to make decision. Yeah, they are at some crossroads. Maybe they are in some confusion. There is a lot of confusion. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But some communication is coming in your way. They want to express their feelings. Yeah, they're still hoping for this connection. There is a lot of passion between both of you. A lot of attraction. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Leo, Page of Wands, High Priestess, the Star, 3 of Cups. There is some celebration in your life. I think you may be getting success financially. Definitely you may be celebrating that. For some you really want reconciliation with this person. The Star, you still hoping for this connection. And High Priestess, but you are listening to your higher self and you are listening to your intuition. And Page of Wands, yeah, some communication is coming in your way. Some messages you can expect from your person. And one person in this connection anger than the other person. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's see your person energy, overall energy for the week. Leo, Queen of Wands, 5 of Wands, Knight of Wands, 8 of Swords. Yeah, they're stuck. Literally they are stuck. They're in so much confusion. And yeah, there is a lot of passion. Knight of Wands and 5 of Wands. There is a lot of drama going between both of you. And Queen of Wands. Definitely some communication, passion. Lot of passion. Your person is very very passionate about you. Definitely they want reconciliation with you. But for some there is endings I am seeing. For some there will be reconciliation depending upon your situation. If really it is not third party, for some there will be reconciliation. If really third party involved, I think I think you, Leo, in that cases, I think you are going to choose to move on from this person. Okay, because 5 of Wands, lot of drama is involved. your person stuck, literally they have to make decision, and lot of passion, but decision making is also here judgment card. So it's up to you finally, but there is a lot of passion and attraction between both of you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.